Hi, my name is Sabrina Liu, Solutions Architect at Snowflake. In this video, I will be showing you how to manage your runtimes in your Openflow deployment. Now, let's create a runtime in Openflow so that we can start working on projects. Go to the Runtimes tab in the Openflow control plane and click Create Runtime. Keep the current deployment as is, and we will name it Runtime 1. There are a few configuration items below on the Elastic Kubernetes service to be used. Node type small gives us 1 CPU and 2 GB of memory, and that's plenty for this demo. You can choose up to a maximum of 50 nodes for your Kubernetes cluster to auto-scale. And minimally, we will have 1 active node to stand by. After we click Create, you will see this confirmation window. This part will again take a few minutes to finish. Once the runtime is set up, we can click on the runtime name or the 3 dots on the right to open the canvas. Here we are! Now you should be ready to build your first project using Snowflake Openflow. If you have worked with Apache NiFi before, you will find that Openflow Canvas will look very familiar, but not exactly the same. We will talk about how to work with Openflow projects in other videos. Back to the control plane. You can manage your runtime with the options to suspend or restart the runtime, rename it, or change the number of nodes for autoscaling. But you cannot change the node type. If you need computing resources with bigger CPU and memory requirement, you need to create another runtime. Once a runtime is no longer needed, you can go ahead and delete it. Thank you for watching. Now it's time for you to give it a try.